This is a battery capacity tester. So let's begin with the circuit description. Here is the battery connector, as you can see, and it is having a temperature sensor over here. This is basically NTC based. Here is another OLED display that will provide the capacity, and we can set how much discharge current we will set for the battery discharge testing. And here is two buttons, one is for the up, one is for the down, for setting the current over there. And this is the Arduino. This one is the main MOSFET that will be controlled by this operational amplifier, and here is the main load. So I am having a battery, but this is something like 18650 2600 mAh. So this is a quite big battery for discharging for us several minutes of video. So I will test it by another way. And this battery is a lithium ion battery. So basically you can test any kind of battery over here. And here is a buzzer that will notify whether the test is completed or not. So let's power it on, and I have connected my bench power supply here to provide it a 9 volt operation voltage. So I'm just turning it on. So basically this is the adjustable current and thing showing over here. The flickering is causing by the ratio of the camera frequency and the refresh rate of the display. So in my blank eyes it is same, and there is no flickering issue, just in the camera itself. So let's test this one, and here I have connecting the battery. So this is I have connected over here, and I am just setting the current. I am setting it to something like let's to the full range of 1000 milliampere, and by pressing it few times the test is started. So as you can see, this battery has a nominal voltage that is 3.7 volt, and it is constantly getting dropped, and the seconds is counting over here. This is the discharge current, and this is the temperature of the battery. So it will increase during the testing facility, and here is the capacity of the battery is being calculated. So if I wait for few minutes, we can check, with few seconds we can check that the voltage is going lower. So it will test until this voltage is gone to something like 3.2 volt. 3.2 to 3.3. This can be changed using the code as well, because there are different kinds of battery have different specification. In some cases this battery comes with some protection circuit over there that will not allow the battery to discharge even for a presetted value by the company or manufacturer. So this is the voltage is constantly getting dropped, that is 3.65 volt over here. And let's turn off the load testing. Just if I just disconnect this battery from here, so what will happen, this circuit will detect there is no voltage, so it will detect that how much capacity is just discharged, and this is the capacity. So now it is 10 milliamp hour or 18 milliamp hour what is showing over here, that is 3.65 volt. So let's turn it off. I'm just removing the battery. Yeah, I have removed the battery, and it is detected 20 milliamp hour. So I have tested this battery with a full discharge current, and it worked quite okay. So for the circuit level explanation and other how it is working, the schematic and the codes and everything, you can just check it the actual page of the Circuit Digest website. So have a nice day. Bye bye.